Hello, I'm ScriptStriker, and today I'm going to be improving a Roblox obby obstacle. Now why are we doing this? Because by improving, I mean making the most obnoxious thing ever. Just to give your friends and family a lovely surprise when you play your Roblox game. Now you might be thinking, how are we going to do this? We're doing it in stages, so you can learn along the way of how to ruin an obby obstacle and make everyone else's life hell. And right here we have the first iteration, which is just standard lava. You jump across. Oh, except there are extremely small gaps, of course. Now why do we do this? Because nothing is easy in this game. It is all hard, and the world should know that by now. So this is possible, probably. I can't really prove it, but it is. And here's a script. So what we have here is, when you touch stuff, it tells bit touched it. If it's a player, then basically the player dies by breaking of joints, which is a lovely way to die, I'll tell you. It's beautiful. And it's a general way that Roblox kill scripts work. So aside from that mildly morbid experience, which I'm still going to talk about, we're going to try and complete this. Well, that failed, I guess. I'm sure good Roblox players can do this, but this is only stage 1. We have a lot of improvements to make to this to make it the most obnoxious experience. Now here we have stage 2, the floating lava. It is the most menacing thing in existence, mainly because it floats and it's lava. Not only do you have to jump over it, you have to duck under it, and that's going to be fun for them pro Roblox players who want to prove something, and for your friends and family when you tell them to complete your new Roblox obby. Oop, wow, there's a police siren coming past if you can hear that. I'm not sure why. I think it might be an ambulance. I don't even know. Either way, this is hard. This is making me sad. Jump. Look, it's only stage 2 and we made it near impossible, which I love doing. Now here's a script. Now this is what we call a beautiful script. So you have a while loop that makes you just repeat forever and ever and ever. Round and round. Anyway. Then we have wait bit because we need to wait, and then there's a for loop which repeats things a certain number of times, so in this case 55. And what it repeats is it moves the C-frame of the object, so that's the lava's positioning and angles and rubbish, up, and then later it moves them down repeatedly. Fun, fun, fun. So that would be it. So here we are. The next stage of this beautiful journey we are on. Now you may wonder, and what ever made this worse? It looks the exact same as before. And that is by making it very snaky. So now your players, friends, and general people whose lives you're about to ruin have a smaller amount of space they can jump on, which is just going to make everything 10 times more bad, which is just brilliant for everyone involved. I mean, imagine making someone's life worse. Also, imagine not being able to complete this. I mean, it would be really bad at Roblox and not be able to complete this. Yeah, this is not going to be very good for anyone involved whatsoever, which is why you gotta make sure that you have no friends who are Roblox pros, just so it becomes more believable that if you can complete your own level, and that you can't, it must be bad and terrible. Yeah, this is going to be a beautiful level and cause so much pain. Good job on just getting this far. And this is only stage 3, but now we have stage 4. Now, what have we changed here? See that? That is what we call death by being moved along by snippy stuff. Now, as you can see here, not so clearly, we gotta move without slipping, without hitting lava, which is easier said than done. Yep, I have no hope, but neither will your friends, so advertise this to them as your best obby ever, and tell them that you really want them to play because they're your best friends. Yep, they'll never live it down, or never forget the pain that this has caused them. Such pain. Well, this is all fine because it's not legally considered torture. It is just a Roblox game that they choose to play. So tell all your friends and family to come along and join you in your really good new Roblox game. And I can tell you that this level has certainly improved, although I can also tell you that it is only the fourth iteration of this beautiful journey / obstacle, and it's hard enough, but of course we're going to make this harder because we love ruining people's lives. And look at that, what do we have here? We have made it harder. I may wonder, in what way have I made this harder? The best way. It's now rotated at a 15 degrees angle compared to what was previously a 90 degrees angle. It's changed by 15 degrees, and that is all the difference. In fact, I'm not sure it's possible. I mean, I certainly can't do it, but those Roblox pros are going to have some difficulty doing it. I mean, just look at it. It's not beautiful. And now it's a great time to remember that I forgot to give you the script for the last one. So I'm also going to tell you to subscribe because I forgot to do that too. And if you're going to thieve all my scripts, then I want money. Money is nice. And all it does is make sure that I get money. And all you have to do is click the red button. Anyway, this thing, basically, velocity equal move, X, Y, Z, yeah. Basically it moves you, and that's about all matters. So, can we do this? Is it possible for us, normal humans, to complete such a horrible task? No. Well, that's fun. We are doomed. So that's great. I think we created the most obnoxious obby ever and improved on that one obstacle to a great degree. So much so that I can't complete it, and no one ever will be able to complete it. Which is all I've ever wanted in life. To make it harder for others to complete what I have created. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, so I've now uploaded this to Roblox as a game. So if you want to go find it, you can copy the game, steal the code, the usual. And of course you can try out with your friends to see how they find my improved obby obstacle. Anyway, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video.